Hey everybody, it's Julie Houston with LIFERENU, and I am super excited to be here with Marcella.
Well, I am a mom. I have 4 kids, ages 14 down to 2. So I am super busy. I'm also a licensed real estate agent. I thought maybe it was just, okay, stress. My life's hard right now. I just couldn't see. And I've always been kind of, I've had a little bit of a self-starting attitude, but it just became hard for me to talk myself into getting up and working out and doing my norm. So I remember the day I found the product, like so remarkably. Like I started taking it just every morning, 3 pills every morning. And what's really cool, I would say about my results is I had done a body scan. I'd gone did an in-body scan at GNC, gave me my composition, body fat and everything. And it showed that I was at 23.5% body fat, which was higher than what I was used to. I started taking the products and 2 months later, I didn't change my nutrition. I didn't change my workout. I did the body scan again and I was down 3.5% body